everyone, welcome back to Bliss Degree. If you love crochet and want to add some adorable creations to your collection, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into 30 free Amigurumi crochet patterns that you can make and share with friends and family. Let's get started. First things first, what is Amigurumi? Amigurumi is the Japanese art of knitting or crocheting small, stuffed yarn creatures. They can be anything from cute animals to whimsical characters. They're perfect for gifts, home decor, or just to satisfy your crafty cravings. Alright, let's jump into our list. All of these patterns are available for free, and I've linked them in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing crochet content. Now that you have all these patterns, it's time to get crocheting. Remember, Amigurumi is all about sharing joy. Gift your creations to friends, donate them to charities, or even host a crafting party. All links are in the description below, so you can easily access each pattern. Simply click on the Google Doc link and get access to all the patterns. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this list, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crafty content. Happy crocheting, and see you next time.